tell your kids that you love them and you love them unconditionally. There are a few things we can do to build self-esteem for kids. One thing is to tell your kids that you love them and you love them unconditionally. Show affection, give them a pat on the back, smile at them, look them directly in the eye, listen to them. Another thing is for kids to spend time with friends, to have at least one friend so that they know that they're likable and they can spend time doing something enjoyable with a friend. And the other thing is to find things that kids are good at and to have them keep doing it, because you derive mastery and naturally some self-esteem comes from that experience. So you may have to search, right? So if a parent really wants their child to be involved in sports, but sports is not their thing, that could hurt their self-esteem if they're constantly participating in activities that they see that they're not good at. But if they're talented at art, you want to get them involved in art.